Radhe Radhe. So, look at this. The actual cow grazing lila is now happening in Govardhan. Huh? Look at that.
Radhe Radhe.
Radhe Radhe. So we are so fortunate today to witness these rare cows roaming around in herd here in Govardhan. It's like reliving, reenacting the Govardhan Lila. You see? Hundreds of cows just came out. It's the Gocharan Lila here in Govardhan. It's like Krishna Balaram grazing their cows. So this Govardhan, this is where Krishna and Balaram would graze their cows every day. And look at this. We are actually living the Lila, the pastime of Govardhan. So many cows. Herd of cows. Radhe Radhe. Wow. This is amazing, huh? It's stunning. Awe-inspiring, huh? Look at the cows. The cows of Govardhan. So this is the actual seva of Govardhan. Go means cows, and Vardhan means to nourish. So Govardhan is nourishing the cows of Krishna and Balaram. This is the reason why Krishna had it stop the Brajavasi from worshipping Indra. So Krishna ji told Nanda Maharaj or Nanda Baba and all the Brajavasis to better worship Govardhan instead of Indra, because Govardhan is providing them with nourishment. It provides them fruits from the trees, creepers, vegetables, fresh water from the falls, lakes, and during rainy season, the Govardhan has caves, and in winter time, they can enter the cave to protect them from extreme cold. So Govardhan is actually nourishing them, not only the humans, but also the animals, all Brajavasis. The cows of Krishna, Govardhan provides them with fresh green grasses. So Krishna's cows, Krishna Balaram cows, they would all come to Govardhan every day to relish the fresh and lustful greeneries here in Govardhan. So these are the cows of Krishna. This is not ordinary cows. These are Krishna Balaram cows. So now they are actually living the Lila, the cow herding Lila, the Gocharan Lila here in Govardhan. See? So many cows, hundreds of cows. Wow, amazing, amazing. Bolgi Raj Maharaj ki Jai. So this is Govardhan, Govardhan is so merciful. He's giving us actual seva. Govardhan appeared in order for us to serve Krishna directly. That's the difference between Govardhan Shila and other murtis. Because in Govardhan Shila, you don't have to install or invoke or chant different mantras in order to invite Krishna Ji to appear in the murti. But Govardhan is actually Krishna himself, non-different. You can worship as it is. There's no need for installations. There's no need for rituals and different mantras. And now the cows, they are drinking on the well because they are thirsty. See, the cows gathered around. Wow, amazing. This is the mercy of Govardhan. So much mercy every day. It's magic. Huh? Braj is magic. Magical. Mystical. Ram Ram Ji.
राम जी राम
Chakachak, chakachak.
चकाचक बिल्कुल चकाचक
हाँ बिल्कुल चकाचक. बिल्कुल चकाचक. राधे राधे. So now I'm herding the cows. I'm the substitute co-herd boy. Oh, see? That's why I always carry stick. Huh? This is the gear of the Brajabasis. See? I'm leading the pack, the herd of cows. Okay. Radhe Radhe. So, stay tuned. We will give you more magical, enchanting moments here in Govardhan or in Braj. Radhe Radhe, Jai Jai Shri Radhe!